So in order to find these sum of the vectors, we need to find the x and y components of each of the vectors. So we have a sub x equaling 44.0 cosine of 28 degrees. This is giving us 38.85. B sub x will be equal to negative 26.5 cosine of 56 degrees, and this is giving us negative 14.82. And then c sub x will be simply 31.0 cosine of 270. Cosine of 270 degrees is 0, so this will simply be 0. A sub y will be 44.0 sine of 28 degrees, and this will give us 20.66 and 0.66. And then we have b sub y. This is going to be 26.5 sine of 56 degrees. And this is giving us 21.97. And then, of course, all of the vector c's in the y direction. So this will be 31 sine of 270. Sine of 270 is negative 1. So this will be negative 31.0. So at this point, we can find A. So part A is going to be, we need to find the x and y components. So if we have vector A minus vector B plus vector C in the x direction, this is going to be simply 38.85 minus negative 14.82. So it'll be 38.85 plus 14.82. This is giving us 53.67. And then to find the y direction, we have a vector A minus vector B plus vector C in the y direction. This would simply be 20.66 minus 21.97 and then minus 31. So this will be negative 32.31. And then to find the magnitude, we simply take the square root of the sum of the squares. So the magnitude of vector A minus vector B plus vector C will be equal to 53.67 squared plus negative 32.31 squared, and all to the 1/2 power. This is giving us 62.6. And to find theta will simply be equal to arctan of the y component divided by the x component. So this will be arctan of negative 32.31 divided by 53.67. And this is giving us 31 degrees, and this will be below positive x-axis. Now for part B, we have a plus B minus C. So here we have, my apologies, vector A plus vector B minus vector C in the x direction. This is going to give us 24.03. And then we have vector A plus vector B minus vector C in the y direction. This is giving us 673.63. Again, this will just be all the y's, 20.66 plus 21.97 minus negative 31.0, so plus 31, and we're getting 73.63. To find the magnitude is the same exact process. Vector A plus vector B minus vector C will be equal to 24.03 squared plus 73.63 squared, and then all to the 1/2 power. This is giving us 77.5. Now to find the angle, we simply take arctan of the y component divided by the x component. So it'll be 73.63 divided by 24.03, and we are getting this the angle equal to 71.9 degrees. And this would be, if we have a positive x and a positive y component, this will simply be above positive x-axis. So first quadrant. And then for C, we have vector C minus vector A, rather, minus vector B in the x direction. So this is going to give us negative 24.03. And then we have vector C minus vector A minus vector B. And this is giving us negative 73.63. So you can automatically tell that this is going to be the exact opposite of A plus B minus C. This is going to be C minus A minus B. So here, the magnitude is going to be the exact same because the magnitude of the x and y components are the exact same. So this will be equal to, again, 77.5. And then theta will be exactly the same angle measure. However, we have a negative x component and a negative y component. So essentially, this is going to be in the third quadrant. So it will be 71.9 degrees. However, now it's going to be below the negative x-axis. So again, quadrant 3. So, and that is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.